Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So, I had to go and grab a new charger today. I'll show y'all why later on in this video. But let's go ahead and get into this. And, stay tuned. Alright, guys, gotta crack this open. Got a little manual that come with it. Might need to read that because I don't know too much about this one. A bunch of adapters. That's what I'm talking about. Got the power cord. We got, this is a cord for the balance port. Let's get up in there. So it comes with two of these. And y'all know that's labeled up there. Sorry about that. It's labeled up there. 2S, 3S, 4S. Sorry if y'all not seeing that, but it is labeled. Let me go ahead and get that other one. It should come with two wires as well. That's the second wire. Bam. Shout out to Benji. I had hit him. That's him right there who hit me up right now. But I had hit him up to ask him how he likes his charger. He told me yeah. So, you know what? Let me go ahead and grab it. Simple fact that it charges 2 batteries. I needed that. Alright. Gotta crack this thing out of there. It's nice and light. I'll give it that. And I do have some temp sensors as well. But I do see Benji. Sorry about the noise, guys. Dropping it already. But I do see Benji run his off of the carport, which is that one. Which is not bad because the one I have now couldn't do it. It would shut down. It probably wasn't enough power. But anyway, I use 8mm bullet connectors, so none of these are of value to me. So I might have to make my own charger wires. These wires are too skinny from what I'm seeing. So I might make my own. But let me plug everything up and see how it's going. Alright, YouTube, hopefully y'all seeing this. I just wanted to show people where these 2 wires went. So this is one. Where did I put the other piece right here? Sorry about that. Hopefully y'all seeing that. But that's one. So this goes into there. Let me plug this into here. Bam. Plug that into there. Hopefully y'all seeing that. Bam. So that's 2 ports. And you'll take your charger, which I use 8mm bullets. I only have one of these, so I'll be only able to charge 1 battery right now. But let's go ahead and pull one up. I'm gonna charge a 6S pack. Hopefully y'all seeing this. So we going in that way. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and set it up now. I got it connected to the battery. Plugged everything in. It's connected. So this is the left side and the right side. Sorry about that. This is the left side. That's the right side. So right now I'm gonna use the right side. I'm gonna LiPo. I'm gonna select, hit enter. Let's see. We want to battery. I'm walking through it right here with you guys because I don't really know too much about it. So we got LiPo balance. I always charge my batteries on balance all the time. I don't care how long it takes. So this is let me show you guys. This is 5,000 milliamp. I normally charge a 5,000 milliamp around like 4,800, but yeah, I'll just charge it at 48. So I'm gonna go to 48. I'm gonna hit select. It's already at 6S. Hold it and do its check. Start charging right there. Bam, done deal. Has a built-in fan. I like that. Has a built-in fan. Let's see if we can check cells. Yes, we can. We can check the cells. Everything is leveled. That is good. So my other charger, let me go ahead and show y'all that in this clip of me charging this same battery. and show y'all what's happening. Alright, cool. Just wanted to show you something. So this does have a fan in it. Everything, hopefully y'all see that. So it says unbalanced volt 15 millivolts. So this will not start charging until this actually gets to 0, where everyone is leveled out. So just because that one is not leveled, it won't start charging. It's been like this for 4 or 5 hours now. I mean, it's a good thing because it's going to make sure every cell in this battery is completely charged before it actually charges. But I don't know. It does it to all my batteries, 2S, 3S, 4S. I don't know. It's charging and it jumps up just at 13, 15, but anyway. Alright, so now that y'all seen that, that's why I went ahead and bought a new charger. I just need another 8mm wire. I also, yeah, that's it. I just need an 8mm for the left side so I can charge 2 batteries at one time. I do have a temp sensor. It's 2 fans, so one come on for one side, one comes on for the other. That's nice. So if I wanted to program the other one, I would hit select. I'm on that side. I would hit enter, get in there, you do your thing, start charging the other side. But anyway, back to this side. I'm charging this. I'm gonna let this charge for now, see how that goes. I usually put I do have a LiPo bag. I put the LiPo in. I'm just showing y'all real quick. So I'm gonna let this charge up. I'll get out of there. So I see the volts is going up. Alright, I'm gonna let that charge. I'm not gonna show y'all the end. It's just the end. It was a quick unboxing of the Venom. This also does a high voltage battery now supported, which is great. So y'all stay tuned for more. Just want to unbox a charger. I had a few people ask me what charger I use, and I was using a Dynamite, and I do have another one I was using, but I used that to charge my this battery right here and my Life batteries for the nitro cars. But as far as this one, I'll be using this one for now. So let's see how it works out. I will put the temp sense on there, make sure everything's working right. I will keep checking the cells, since the other one used to do it for me. But anyway, guys, sorry for the babbling. Just a quick unboxing. Thank you guys for tuning in. Got a new charger. Hopefully it works out good. All right, thanks for tuning in.